frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it actually is just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you consider where the price was hanging around on Friday, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price is at today, any rational person can say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $7.65. Why is $7.65 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is gonna make progress forward. The price is not gonna go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $7.65. If the price were to go down to $7.65, that's not the end of the world. The thing that would make this pretty rough is if the price continued on down. Why? Well, because from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And as discussed, prices that quote-unquote go back to where they were, not a sign of power. Whereas if the price did go down here, but then behaved in this manner and started to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being defined as $7.65. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, first key level just simply where the party stopped today, right up there at $7.95. And then if the price can push up through there, next key level after that up around the $8.10 mark. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice move today. No denying that. Now it's just a matter of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay